Stop dealing with a frozen Paramount Plus app. I'm going to show you how to force quit and clear your cache on LG, Samsung, and Android TVs in just 3 easy steps. Common glitches like black screens or loading loops are usually caused by temporary files. Let's start with LG Smart TVs using Web OS. Step 1. On LG, press the Home button and find the Recent Apps bar. Navigate to Paramount Plus and select the X icon above it to fully terminate the app. To clear the cache, go to All Settings, General, then Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes corrupted data without logging you out. Step 2. For Samsung TVs, simply hold the return button on your remote for 5 seconds while the app is open until the screen flashes. This forces a complete shutdown. Next, navigate to Settings, Support, and Device Care. Select Manage Storage, find Paramount Plus, and hit Clear Cache to refresh your session. Step 3. On Android or Google TV, head to Settings, then Apps. Select Paramount Plus and click Force Stop to kill the process. In that same menu, scroll down to Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache. This is the most granular way to fix persistent bugs. If the menus are totally unresponsive, do a soft reset. Unplug your TV for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the system memory for all apps at once. And that's it. You're ready to get back to streaming. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more quick and easy tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one.